Smudging. Goshintal. Gakal. Nirvi. Mi gaurish ground on Nirvi hashing. Can't read me. No, I mean that's on here. Okay. Sigur.
You there! What are you doing? If you wish to have words, come closer.
Oh, nope. Can you get it in? Ksana ha essen aan een farmpark. Had er gloes at the statement, huh? Right. Let's see here.
Go, Sunan.
En again, I'll stay gonna antalla.
I have not had a win all day. I must turn this around.
It's Eivor. Open the door.
Come in, but keep your voice down. You will alert Harald's men.
Where will we live? The English will fight back. The wars will never end.
Or they will push us into the Christian ways.
2 days ago, we rid this land of Kjotve and his dogs. Yet today, we do not celebrate. Today we cower under a cloud of fear. But it need not be like this. We are not the heel-trodden subjects of a boy.
Duly Garjan, could you can heen stays on a chat, I guess had you gan spammig. So I mean dolly Henry could ask live. Daik at a Juntzikis me marinimission. Okay. Judy Sky Edwards, thanks on a cat the Jew. Okay, hashing your dash. Oh, ha echo an Deich. So, gaan ik me maar goed is me as dan na teachgrach in nach. Ach, ma nach is teachgrachs biele suringa nicht. So, kumi sin yarn. Jay had all.
We are the Raven Clan. Our destiny is our own.
Did you know about your father's oath to Harold?
I did not. And for that my anger burns hotter than any man's here. But I will not let that drive me into despair. We cannot stay in Norway. Not under Harold's boot. Not without fueling more war. So we push forward. To newer lands. To England. And there make a new home. A kingdom of our own.
The sons of Ragnar Lothbrok have been in England 8 winters already. Is there any land left for a clan of our size?
More than enough, wife. Of the 4 kingdoms of England, only one is truly pacified.
I have no desire to wear Harald's leash. I like this idea.
A saga for the ages. I agree.
It will take time and resources to build ourselves a new home, but the riches taken from Kjotve's raid would suffice.
No. That belongs to my father, as a fair compensation. In England, we must start anew.
You would start us with nothing, in a land we do not know, among people who hate us?
Joke.
But this riches would go some way to easing our passage, Sigurd. I bested him. It is within my rights to claim his goods.
Our leaving must not be an assault on my father. It is a time of renewal for us.
Oh, han vi svensk faction at? Shouldn't have missed svensk.
If you object, I understand. Let your father keep Kjotve's riches. England will have riches and cargo enough for us.
Good. I did not want this cloud hanging over us.
Jay had all lesson out then I guess hoot.
To England then, before the day is out. Pack what you need, but no more than that.
And tighten your lips. The last thing we need is the attention of Harald's troops.
Okay, has he not all hasing?
How much did you hear?
Enough. A new path is revealed and your journey will be challenging.
Will you not join us?
For my mother's sake, I cannot. But our threads will cross again before the final day. Until then, farewell.
Rala Luan. Whoa, has he vaak on Nidderby? Genial alpha, ha, ja, genial China. Gaan sin go alpa ha collis. Ach, bí an sa DLC ar éir collis héit sin I géirín. So bí sin ma. Ach, ní alpa. Gai sin. Rations ar san islia.
The way those soldiers watch me.
I find it flattering.
You think one will marry you and carry you off to the capital?
Would he?
He would take his pleasure.
Eivor, the wind favors us. We should set sail without delay.
You made quick work of packing. Well done.
The dream of new lands is a powerful lure.
As is the promise of glory. But the act of leaving so beloved a home, there is a sadness to it.
Having doubts?
No, not at all. The die is cast.
Then let fate guide our journey. Are you ready?
And Tauman Nirviaka.
I am ready. Let us take to the water and leave unbothered while we have the chance.
That chance is past. Look.
Fate flies on swifter wings than we.
King Harold's banner.
Still in the line, Ashen. Fate flies on swifter wings than we. Gus talm scríbh I ggéime seo a cordúm dáan to bhína character na brí.
What is this assembly? What are you planning?
An exit, father. As graceful as I can. For if I cannot be king in the land of my birth, I will start a new saga. In England.
Nonsense. Your place is here, son, at my side. There will be other victories soon. Other glories.
My choice is made, father. Do not hope otherwise.
Styrbjorn Jarl. Our men were killed as we patrolled nearby. And the word is, Eivor swung the axe.
If the dead could speak, what would they say of their deaths, wolf-kissed?
They would tell you how they offered us insults, and how I slew them for it.
As the dead cannot defend themselves, a vergelt is wanted. 50 weight of silver for each life. By law.
50 weight?
You will have it from me. A parent must pay the price of his children's folly.
That was generous, Lord.
Why England? Why throw away all you have for such an uncertain future? Here you could be a king's hero, Eivor. Your name known all across Harold's many kingdoms.
No. I'll not be captive to another man's gaudy design. My destiny is my own to weave.
Eivor speaks for both of us, father. You gambled your honor, and you lost your family. I hope the trade was worth it.
Anger and sadness wrestle for my heart, but I am glad you'll leave this place alive.
Okay. Sin Caragnáach, so in rá évad éad na daine sin na bharaigh. Colas go rá ach chud rain sinne sin agus chanach sin sin, so nó sin na bharaigh in Caragnáach also. Ach, ha mi Jenna fiúid I'm hasing.
The time for tears is over, you weeping sacks of wool. Put some muscle into those pools.
Ration your strength, dog. We have an ocean to cross.
All right, you lazy backrout. Sigurd, what's our course?
The sons of Ragnar established a settlement near the coast. We set sail for them. Raggi, sing a song to lift our roof.
Oh, then.
Rouse the gods! Inspire a mighty fart from Thor to speed us on our way!
An ocean lies before us, Eivor, and on its far side, a new kingdom waits.
You know England well from your travels.
I spent the season in their kingdom of Mercia, a temperate land, lush and wild. By now, the sons of Ragnar will have claimed its heart.
Do we mean to
Tell
join
him
their army?
They will join ours. In time, all of England will know of Ravenclan and the glory we brought to that fractured land. So to England, glory and destiny.
To England!
To England! For Valhalla!
Agus seo sin.